Welcome, dear viewers, to a transformative exploration into the heart of financial resilience. In the ever-evolving landscape of economic challenges, our journey today is not just about survival, it's about thriving amidst uncertainty. Join me for an in-depth odyssey as we uncover the layers of financial wisdom that will fortify your journey through even the stormiest financial seas. Our first part of call on this expedition is to understand the very nature of financial crises. Together, we'll dissect historical data, examine the nuanced causes, and gain insights that will serve as our guiding star through the tumultuous waters of economic uncertainty. Now, let's embark on a riveting exploration of the bedrock of financial stability, the emergency fund. Beyond the basics, we'll craft a narrative that not only shows you how to build an emergency fund, but also dives into compelling real-life stories of individuals whose financial lifelines were transformed by this strategic reservoir of resilience. The art of managing and conquering debt during challenging times is a saga in itself. Our next chapter is a detailed exploration of advanced strategies that not only reduce debt but also empower you with financial freedom. Real-world success stories will illuminate the path toward lasting financial liberation. Budgeting, as we know it, transforms during times uncertainty. In this segment, we won't just scratch the surface, we'll plunge into the realm of adaptive budgeting. Case studies will unfold, demonstrating how an adaptive budget can be your guiding compass through the turbulent financial seas. Multiple income streams can be the secret weapon in your financial arsenal. Join me in exploring not just the how, but the why and what of diverse income streams. Inspirational success stories will illuminate the transformative power of supplementing your income during challenging times. For those with investments, the tale of protecting your assets during a financial crisis unfolds here. We'll delve deep into strategies that not only shield but potentially grow your investments. Animated case studies will bring these strategies to life, making them more than just theoretical concepts. Don't underestimate the power of professional guidance. In this segment, we'll explore the pivotal moment when seeking advice from financial experts becomes a game changer. Real-life testimonials will showcase the transformative impact of navigating the financial maze with expert support. As we draw the curtains on this comprehensive exploration, remember that resilience is not just surviving, it's thriving. By implementing the strategies we've uncovered today, you are not merely weathering the storm, you're building the foundation for a future of financial strength and security. If you found today's deep dive enlightening, don't forget to express it with a like, share this beacon of financial wisdom, and subscribe for an ongoing journey through the nuanced world of financial resilience. Until next time, keep sketching those dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard.